Magnet blocks.
I think so.
That's a box.
So you can build stuff like that, Lexi.
They're magnet blocks.
Wow.
Let's open the box.
Very appealing.
And they even have more purples than we have. We only have one purple. That. Oh. This one's lucky.
These things are strong.
Oh yeah, you're right.
That's pretty strong.
Oh, and the Tesla can have, and the thing you're making can have a dog. So this can be the dog door.
My alien spaceship. Then let's make one of those giant rocket ships, you know?
Mom, this is the door. See that door?
Okay, now I'm gonna add some special. Do you think it's gonna work? Hopefully. Here goes. Close. Oh.
We thank Kudu Toys for the magnet blocks, and we encourage you to try them out because they are very fun. We will put a link to the product in the description below, and make some time for a little family fun.